I have anxiety and depression.
Ugh, who doesn't these days?
Research suggests that depression doesn't spring from simply having too much or too little of certain brain chemicals. Rather, there are many possible causes of depression, including faulty mood regulation by the brain, genetic vulnerability, stressful life events, medications, and medical problems. Let's find out in this episode how to deal with depression by avoiding these everyday habits, which may lead to depression.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Number 1. Maintain your body. Exercising regularly is one of the best things you can do for your mental health. Exercise can help in the treatment and prevention of depression in several key ways. It increases your body temperature, which can have a calming effect on the central nervous system. It releases chemicals like endorphins, which can boost mood. It reduces immune system chemicals that may worsen depression. Number 2. Lessen your social media time.
Social media, quite frankly, is the toilet of the internet.
Yes, it is.
You can visit my new blog.
It's time to hack your feed.
Research has shown that increased social media usage can cause or contribute to depression and low self-esteem. Social media can be addicting, and it's a necessity to stay connected with family, friends, and even co-workers. It's how we plan and invite each other to events and share big news. Minimize this and give time to your family and friends. Number 3. Build strong relationships.
I'm a wreck without you!
I need friends.
Having a strong support system and an active social life is important for our mental health. Research has shown that having an even adequate social support can protect against depression. Make sure that you're regularly connecting with friends and family, even when your lives are busy. Number 4. Reduce stress.
What tension? This tension?
I'm sorry. I hate tension and I farted.
Chronic stress is one of the most avoidable common causes of depression. Learning how to manage and cope with stress is essential for optimal mental health. To manage stress, you can maintain your ongoing treatment plan. Avoid overcommitting to things. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Learn to let things go that you can't control. Minimize your daily choices. If you can follow this, you would always be stress-free and away from depression. Number 5. Stay away from toxic people.
Be nice. Or stay away from me.
We've all met that person who just makes us feel bad about ourselves. Sometimes they're an outright bully, and other times they subtly put us down to make themselves feel better. They may even be someone who takes advantage of us. Regardless of the specific situation, toxic people should be avoided at all costs. They can lower our self-esteem. Just stay away and cut down with these people. Number 6. Change your habits that may trigger depression.
Over and out. Slam that shit shut, Cage.
Avoiding these common habits may lighten your mood and lower your risk of sliding into full-blown depression. Eliminate processed foods from your diet as much as possible and eat healthy on time. Avoid excessive medications such as hormonal medications, birth control pills, beta blockers, corticosteroids, anticonvulsants, etc. Reduce alcohol and quit smoking. Avoid going late to bed, sleep well. Early to bed and early to rise. Take frequent vacations, out of city life, somewhere in greens and peaceful locations. Change your lifestyle and be happy always.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Smile, my boy. Sunrise.
Well, don't worry. Be happy.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and